Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to the channel. If you're subscribed, if you're not, please go ahead and do so. We're going to be doing another giveaway at 300 subs. But for today's video, we're going to give you some sound clips on the Borla S-Type for the STI. So here we are. We got the Subi out here today. And I just moved on from the HKS Legomax. It was a great exhaust, but it was a little too quiet for my style. So now we got the Borla S-Type on, and I'm really happy with it. I really like the way it sounds. It's got some pops and crackles on some downshifts, and overall it's just I think a better exhaust all the way around. It doesn't really drone at all. It is a little bit louder in the cabin, but not too much. It's pretty good. It's still very like a very mild tone, I guess, because I think the R400 would be a lot louder, and obviously you got the other ones like the AWE Touring, and then you got the like ETS Extreme. Those are going to be way louder. This is a good middle ground, so it's still got enough aggression on it. It's got a great note, doesn't drone, and pops and crackles. So if you don't want to be too obnoxious, I think you guys would be definitely happy with this exhaust. So if you're more on the conservative side, the HKS Legomax was great, and I think you guys would enjoy that too. I have a video on that, so check that out if you guys want something a little more toned down from this one. So we're gonna go ahead and get started, and yeah, show you guys how this sounds. Alright, we're just gonna do a normal startup from inside the cabin for you guys. Not too bad. Car's a little warm. Yeah, see? Your neighbors won't hate you too bad for this.
What would you say is like different that obviously stands out to you versus the other?
Obviously, so the Borla S-Type is a lot louder when you're giving it gas, and like overall it's louder. Mm-hmm. The HKS to me was louder when letting off the throttle. That's when it's like you really noticed it. Other than that, it just sounded a little louder than stock. So this one's just more aggressive all the way around, but the tone was deeper on the HKS. This has more of a raspy feel to it. So it's not to bash the HKS, because the HKS was really nice, because some people just want a little louder than stock, and the HKS to me is like perfect for that. The Borla S-Type is fitting more of like my style. Like, I didn't really want it too quiet. I wanted it to have more of a rumble and be, you know, more presentable, I guess you'd say. I don't know. It's more of an aggressive exhaust compared to the HKS, but I still feel like the Borla S-Type is very like mild. It's like in the middle. It's a perfect middle ground to me between not being too loud but still a very enjoyable exhaust, because it doesn't really drone too bad, and it sounds great without being too obnoxious. So I'm happy about it. Alright guys, that's it for the video. Hope you guys enjoy it. I personally love the exhaust. I highly recommend the Borla S-Type. Great rumble to it, got some pops and crackles, no drone, perfect daily driver exhaust. Thank you guys for watching. Please like and subscribe, because we are doing a 300 sub giveaway. That'll be through Instagram, so add me on @DrakeJDM on Instagram. And yeah, once again, thanks for watching guys. See you later.